Hello everyone. Welcome to this video where you will learn important daily use English phrases along with their Tamil meanings, pronunciation, and examples. Whether you are a beginner or want to improve your basic English skills, this video will help you speak confidently in everyday situations. We cover common phrases for daily activities, health, travel, shopping, and much more. So, let's get started and improve your English step by step. Don't forget to practice speaking along with me for better fluency. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful English lessons. Let's begin.
Morning routine phrases.
I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth twice a day. I take a bath before breakfast. I get dressed quickly. I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Daytime phrases.
I go to work by bus. I go to school at 9 a.m. I do my work on time. I talk to my friends during lunch. I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
Evening activities.
I come home at 6 p.m. I take rest after work. I watch TV in the evening. I go for a walk with my friend. I help my parents with housework.
Nighttime routine.
I eat dinner at 8 p.m. I study for 1 hour at night. I read a book before sleeping. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I sleep well every night.
Daily routine. General phrases. I clean my room every Sunday. I wash my clothes on weekends. I cook dinner for my family. I water the plants in the morning.
Health and hygiene activities.
I wash my face with cold water. I comb my hair after bathing. I cut my nails every week. I take medicine after lunch. I visit the doctor once a month.
Leisure and hobbies.
I listen to music every evening. I play games with my friends. I go to the gym in the morning. I read the newspaper daily. I scroll through my phone before bed.
Weekend activities.
I go to the temple on Sundays. I visit my relatives on holidays. I go to the beach with friends. I take a nap in the afternoon. I watch a movie on weekends.
Office, work, study phrases.
I start my work at 10 a.m. I attend a team meeting every Monday. I check my email in the morning. I do my homework after school.
Emergency, quick response phrases.
I need help with this bag. I feel sick today. Call the doctor immediately. Don't worry, everything is okay. Be careful while crossing the road.
Travel and transport.
I go to the office by bus. I take an auto when I'm in a hurry. I ride a bike to college. I book a cab at night. I reach home by 8 p.m.
Shopping and money.
I buy vegetables every day. I pay the bill after shopping. I go shopping on weekends. I ask the shopkeeper for the price. I don't have change for 100 rupees.
Phone conversation.
I am calling you from the office. I will call you after lunch. I couldn't reach you. The line was busy. Please hold on. I'll check. Hello, can you hear me?
Feelings and emotions.
I am happy to see you. I am tired after work. I am angry with him. I am excited for the trip. I feel sleepy after lunch.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope these daily English phrases with Tamil meanings were helpful to you. Keep practicing every day. That's the key to becoming fluent in English. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss future lessons. If you have any doubts or want part 2, let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video. Take care and happy learning.